Shenzhen, China's most competitive and innovative city. Automation systems are more widely used for electric garage door, gate, barrier, rolling shutter, blinds and keyless entry industry. Remote control, especially Wi-Fi smart control, becomes the global development trend. They help to make a possibility to smart control these devices from a remote place needed conveniently. We, Shenzhen Yaoertai Technology Development Company Limited, well-known brand YET. More than 20 sales will be here anytime to get you to find a solution for your ideal product. Choose popular product from our existing options to get a faster delivery, or customize an ideal product with engineer team support by one-to-one. Come to our factory or communicate online with details. Sales will bring engineers to the project with hardware and software support. Hardware, design and making. Drawing and PCB layout, have electric functions with program design. Eventually a prototype which able to be a real product. Produce out the final product. PCBA made out from automatic production line. Professional technical worker assembling the board. Get a final product with customized packing way. Come out with logo and company info. Show on it. Patent products. New molded remote control. Universal RF receiver. Compatible with electric, automatic remote control system. Professional solution for automotive garage door, gate barrier, rolling doors. Various inferred protocells for safety production. 6956 RF Wi-Fi converter. Make live smart control easily through mobile phone. 845 WFR. Control door through app. Check the device working status anytime, anywhere. Our patents and certification. Keep developing new product. CE, ROHS, FCC and more.
We have been with the YET company for more than 5 years.
We are advanced informatic engineering, best partner of security and technology solution.
Presento los productos que nos distribuye Jet.
I recommend Jet products. A very nice product, the best in the world.
More and more customers choose us as a long-term cooperation partner and become friends. Trust us and stand with us. These support us to keep being top and leader in this industry.